pedal wheel flow meter, the part number FCT8350. The complete set contains one flow meter, one flow sensor, and the back cover, and also the PVC fitting for installation. This is our standard PVC fitting, and if you want to other material like the stainless steel, we can also provide. According to different pipeline size, we can supply the fitting ranging from the DN25 to DN300, so you can choose accordingly. For the flow sensor, the standard cable length is 5 meters. And if you want to extend the flow, the cables, we can supply the 10 meters and 20 meters, so you can tell us before ordering. It displays the instantaneous flow and also the accumulate the flow on the display. Here I will show how to. Now this is the wheel. So so you can see the value changes. Okay, and also I will show you how to install the flow sensor on the fittings on the pipeline. This is the PVC fitting, and this is our flow sensor. Before installation, make sure you can see the 2 ears. Make sure the 2 ears are horizontal with this, and then screw the right part. Screw it tightly, and then the installation will finish. Here you can see the wheel.